Hey guys, this is another quick AI agent tutorial. This AI agent is specifically for e-commerce businesses. You can implement this AI agent onto your website, and if the customer wants to know about their product status, if they want to cancel it or they want to reschedule their order, this AI agent can do. This AI agent is super simple to make. First, I will give you a quick demo. So let's say I made this I made this Google Sheet or regarding my uh, clothing business. So I have this hypothetical Google Sheet. So so we have order ID, customer name, product price, order date, deliver date, and status. So you can quickly make this Google Sheet, and we're going to test. I'm going to give you a quick demo. So let's say I want to know the status regarding my business, regarding my product, sorry. So my order ID is for 54. So I will simply start the chat with hi. So my AI agent is going to ask my order ID. So it's asking me, how can I assist you with your order? I want to know, I want to know status regarding my product. It's going to ask me about my order ID. So my order ID is 54. So I will write that. So AI agent is confirming, is my name Karan? Yes, my name is Karan. And it's asking me, thank you, what do you want to know about your order? My status. So my product is in fulfilling status. So agent will tell me your order is with the order ID 54 is currently is in the status of fulfilling. Is there anything else I want to know about your order? So this is quick demo. This was a quick demo. So how are we going to set up this agent? So first we're going to start with simple chat trigger. This chat trigger, and we are going to just keep it as simple, nothing to be changed. Then we're going to connect it to AI agent. So go over to plus sign, AI agent. So this one, and over here, this is where the magic happens. So choose connected chat trigger node, JSON chat input, and over here in your system message, choose expression. Don't choose fixed, choose expression. And we are going to instruct this AI agent. How are we going to answer to our customer? So how to write this instruct? You go to Google, you go to ChatGPT, and over here just write, just tell the ChatGPT that we want to give instruction to our AI agent. So over here, quickly I will tell you what I wrote. Write me instruction to my AI agent node, instructing regarding my e-commerce business on the basis of order ID. AI agent should go through my Google Sheet. So this is a Google Sheet. I will tell you later on how are we going to set up this. So go through your Google Sheet, check their name, ask customer to is your name is this is to confirm their name, and yada yada. So once you can go as detailed as you want, but for the sake of this tutorial, I wrote a very simple instruction. So once you get that instruction, just copy it and paste it over here. Of course you can do any changes. You can go as detailed as you want. So just for sake of the video, I kept it very simple. So we have order status, cancel order, reschedule order, and some restriction. So once you put the instruction to AI agent, we're going to use OpenAI chat model. You can also use Google Gemini, but chat model is convenient to me. Add your credential, and you can use any model, but I'm using 4.1 mini. Then over here you're going to use simple memory. So we have two Google Sheet. This one is to retrieve data from our Google Sheet. So AI agent will going to go through this Google Sheet to retrieve data and tell the customer about their product. And this Google Sheet is for to do any changes. If the customer wants to reschedule or cancel the order, this is that. So over here you're going to choose Google Sheet. Just type in Google Sheet and you can choose any of this. Once you open that, go to Google Sheet, add your Google Sheet credential, set automatically, sheet within document, and over here, this is very important, get row. This is to retrieve data. And once you connect your Google Sheet credential, this will automatically come. Automatically, all the sheets you have in your Google Sheet, this will automatically come. So mine was e-commerce. So I'm choosing e-commerce and the sheet. This is sheet 1 over here. And that's it. This is to retrieve data. And this one is to update. Same as just duplicate this one. And everything is same, but over here you're going to choose update row. This is to change any changes in the sheet. So over here again, e-commerce, your Google Sheet name, sheet 1, and over here choose order ID. And over here, this will, once you connect your Google Sheet to update row, this will automatically, all the columns you have in your Google Sheet, this will automatically come onto your Google Sheet node. So once you have all of these, one second, I will show you live. Once you choose all of these update row, this will automatically start fetching. Choose order ID, and over here just choose this for every column. This will the model will automatically do any changes. Once you have that, that's it. That's all you need. So let's say I want to cancel my order. So we have, let's say we have this. Let's say my name is Robert. Yes, I want to cancel my order. So it's asking me your order ID. My order ID is 33. Is your name Robert? Yes. Your order is currently fulfilling. So once if the customer wants to cancel it, so I've instructed AI agent to confirm if they want to cancel their order. So I will say yes, I want to cancel it. Your order is successfully cancelled. So let's say over here we have already cancelled the order. So let's say I want to reschedule. Okay, so my name is Bohemia. Hi, I want to reschedule my order. It's asking me your order ID. My order is 26. Is your name Bohemia? Yes. Thanks, Trevor. When would you like to order? When would you like your order to be out for delivery? So today is 24 August. Let's say I want to reschedule to 30 August 2025. It's updating. So your order has been updated as normal rescheduling. So for 30th August, it's rescheduling. That's it. So this is how you make your agent for your e-commerce business. If you have any question and if you want me to make an AI agent for your business, just let me know. You can hit me in the Instagram DM, and or you can schedule a Zoom call with me or a G Meet call with me, and take care.